good afternoon. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, I've done multiple videos on my water purification system. If you go back in the history, you'll see some of these videos. What I want to explain to you on this video is simply my IBC Tote, what I'm doing with it. Now, I'm not going to talk about the water coming off the eave trough. I'm not talking about the water going through my filters. I want to talk specifically on the IBC Tote. Now, what I've got here is I've got a 285 gallon tote, 1,000 liters. And I've got this cover on it that I bought from Amazon. Now this cover, I'll put a link to it in the description. But this cover is waterproof. It's dark cover, and there's a reason why I put this on here. I've seen so many videos with off-grid water systems where their tote is just sitting outside. The problem is that you can purify your water, you can treat it, you can do whatever you want with it. But the thing is, algae grows from light. If your water tote is sitting outside, then it's getting light and it's going to get algae in it. Now I know the algae will mostly stick to the edges and you're pulling the water out of the middle, whatever, however you do it. Point being is it's so nice to keep that water tote clean. So here's what I've done in the past. This water tote, I'm pretty impressed with it, this cover. But I want you to take a look at this. There's my water tote. Now if you look at it, you'll see that it's brown or beige, whatever you want to call it. I painted it last year. Right down here, paint's chipping off, all around the paint's chipping off. All through here, you see the paint's coming off. I bought this water tote cover for a fraction of the cost of what it cost me to paint this water tote. I've probably got like 5 cans of spray paint. A can of spray paint, you could be looking at $15, $18, $21 a can. So I painted this thing last year, and after I painted it, I touched it up again. A little while later, I touched it up again. So the paint's on it, but it's chipping, it's coming off. Little flakes of paint all over the place. This water tote is dark. No need to paint the water tote. Just put the cover over it. This water tote cover is nice and dark. It has a zipper on it, so I can see my water level. Right now my water level is right here. I can see that. If I want to open up the valve at the bottom, I have access to it. And on the top, I have a Velcro opening. So, because I got my pipe here, I actually cut a hole in the top of it. But if your water tote's outside and you're not putting a pipe through it, you got a nice Velcro cover here. So, this water tote cover to me, I think was a good investment. It's waterproof, it's durable, it's got clips on the bottom you can put on to stop it from blowing away. It looks a lot better than having a tote that's painted with paint chipping off of it. And on top of that, it's a lot cheaper than buying paint. And absolutely, it's a lot better than having my water tote sitting outside, having the blistering sun pouring on it. So I would recommend buying a water tote cover. And like I say, I'll put the link in the bottom of the video, in the description. And you can buy this on Amazon. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.